Known as Huang Qi in traditional Chinese medicine, astragalus has been used for thousands of years to strengthen the body's defensive energy known as Wei Qi. Astragalus is an adaptogen, which means it may help the body adapt to stress and promote overall resilience and well-being, along with many other health benefits. Let's dive in and learn more about this common medicinal and how it could help you. Astragalus. It has its origins in Magnolia in China. And though the pretty yellow flowers might be a lovely sight in the garden, the true magic lies in the roots beneath the ground. It has the ability to circulate throughout the body, and by hitching a ride on the bloodstream, it manages to benefit you from your fingers to your toes. This all-around circulatory effect makes for a mild and natural remedy for conditions that arise with old age. High blood pressure, cholesterol, and asthma in their early stages might find a great amount of benefit from having a cup of astragalus tea ever. Respiratory conditions like colds, flu, certain strains of hepatitis, and allergies have been soothed by this wondrous herb. You can see why it's hailed for its vitalizing and anti-aging properties. It allows for red blood cells to absorb more oxygen and distributes that much-needed supply incredibly effectively. Overall, astragalus is known for supporting the immune system, providing antioxidant support, anti-inflammatory benefits, and reducing cardiovascular stress. By the time astragalus was formally discovered in 1753, the plant had been used in China, Mongolia, Iran, and Northern America for 1,000 years or more. The Iranians call it anzurut and use the gum for digestive issues, feminine infections, and for hand and face creams. North Americans use the bean as high-protein and nutrient-dense food that was vital for survival. The Chinese call it Huang Qi in traditional Chinese medicine. Astragalus is still used as a revitalizing tonic for those going through or recovering from illness. The dry stalks are a common sight next to the kettle in homes all over Asia, where it is a staple for recovery, especially from conditions that affect the lungs and chest. Preparation. For the most part, the root is steeped in hot water and taken in the form of tea. It blends well with other herbs like mint and rose hips, but capsules and tonics are sold as a ready-to-go boost to start your day. The antioxidant and circulatory properties are the perfect combination for a pick-me-up when you need it, better than any multivitamin you'll find in the grocery store. There are variations of the species that produce a legume-like fruit. People across the Americas ate this legume, and still do today. Astragalus, outside of its natural environment, is not a finicky plant to grow at all. A light layer of soil over newly planted seeds, water, and sun is all it really needs to thrive. They don't mind the cooler seasons, and they bounce back in spring once the weather warms again. This perennial is just gorgeous when it's in bloom. There is no reason it should not be on everyone's patio for both the aesthetic and medicinal value it gives. You don't need a green thumb to grow astragalus successfully. It really is that easy. Have you ever used astragalus, or are you considering adding it to your health routine? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Leave your comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more herbal explorations. Tune in next time as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of medicinal herbs. Until then, stay curious and embrace the power of nature's pharmacy. Disclaimer: I am not a medical doctor. If you are on chronic medication, pregnant, or suffering from any health condition, please consult a medical professional. I'm here to relay my own thoughts and opinions. My videos are entirely based on my own research and experiences.